How to create an artist account on Redbubble. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create an artist account on Redbubble. To do so, first of all, you will need to open any web browser on your device and in the search bar type in redbubble.com. Now press on enter to search for it. Within a while, you will be taken to the official website of Redbubble. Here in this page, at the top right, you'll be able to see sign up option. Click on this option and then you will be redirected to this page. Here you will be able to see two different options, whether to create artist account or customer account. In order to create an artist account, you will need to select this artist sign up option. Once you click on it, a tick mark will appear to indicate the selection. Now scroll a bit down and then here you will need to enter the details. In the first field, here enter the email address. After entering the email address, now in the shop name field, here you will need to create a unique shop name which contains 4 to 15 characters without spaces. Once after entering, now set a password for your account. Click on this field and then here create a password. After creating the password, if you want email notifications on special offers and artist news from Redbubble, then you can click on this checkbox at the bottom. Once after doing that, click on this sign up button right here. Now you will need to wait for a moment and then you will be taken to this page. Here now you will need to complete some more steps in order to open your shop and start selling your art. For that, you will need to first create the products, which include uploading an original photo of your art. You will also need to add at least 5 designs for your shop in order to go live. You can click on this add designs option and upload the photo. After that, you will need to customize your shop. For that, you will need to look for original artists and share your story or add at least one social link on it. You may also add profile picture, cover image, and social links and add a bio. After that, you will need to verify your details so that you can start selling in Redbubble. You will need to add your name and address, then confirm your email, and also confirm your mobile phone number and add your payment details. After doing that, you will be able to create artist account on Redbubble. So by following these steps, you should be able to create an artist account on Redbubble. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.